Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to fix couldn't refresh your feed on Instagram. There's many reasons to see this error, so let's start with the first one. We need to open a browser, open Google, and here we type Google speed test. So we'll test our internet connection, so we select run speed test. If we have a problem with the Wi-Fi, it may be a lot slower, and that's the reason you don't see feed on Instagram. So let's check this out. What we need to do if it's slow, we just need to switch to mobile net. Usually it's a lot faster than Wi-Fi. In my case, your current internet connection is fast, so I don't have a problem. But if I had, I will need to go to settings, network and internet. Here we select internet and now we toggle off Wi-Fi like that. And try again, open Instagram and test. If this doesn't help, you need to open your App Store. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iOS, and type in the search Instagram. If you see option to upgrade instead of open, tap on it and then open. If this doesn't work, what you need to do is actually clear storage. So on Android, you need to tap and hold on the icon and then tap on the info button. Here, there is storage in cache. We tap on it, and here we tap on clear storage. Now restart your device and try again. That should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see more.